This is my pet robot. He can recognize my voice commands completely offline. If you are curious how I made this or want to learn how to make one yourself, watch till the end. He is made of these 3D printed parts. The robot runs on a XIAO ESP32S3 Sense board. This microcontroller board has an add-on board with a built-in microphone on it and 4 micro servo motors and this LiPo battery charger and boost module. It charges the battery and also gives us a boosted 5 volt. A LiPo battery, any size will do. I'm using a 1000 mAh battery and a PCB to make all the connections and put our components on. Make sure to pay attention to the orientation of the servos. Make sure that all the wires are pointing outwards. There is a small problem. The battery connector I soldered onto the charging module is getting in the way of this 3D printed plate. So I'm gonna remove it and solder it on the back side. I have soldered it on the back side and connected the battery too. I have made all the connections on the PCB and the circuit diagram link is in the description. Make sure that you're connecting the servos to the correct pins. The front left servo is connected to pin 3 on the ESP32 and the front right to 4, the back left to 5 and the back right to 6. And before we put the ESP32 on the board, we need to upload the program to it. You can just plug it into your computer and use the TechTalkies flasher tool to flash the code. And if you need custom PCBs for projects like these, A1 provides a structured solution for prototyping and production. For new users, the platform includes up to $60 in welcome credits along with a free engineering review. This includes $30 manufacturing credit, $30 for shipping, and even free engineering review. With this, you can do a lot of things like PCB prototyping, making PCBA orders, or even engineering-driven jobs. You simply have to sign up and verify your account, and you can start uploading your design and start placing orders. And to give a little more grip to the legs, you can add a small piece of electrical tape to it. And our pet robot is ready. Once you turn him on, you can start giving him commands by calling his name. And his name is Jolly. So you say, "Hi Jolly," and say a command. "Hi Jolly, dance." "Hi Jolly, come here." "Sit down." "Good boy." "Stretch." "Lie down." And if you like these kinds of projects or starting to learn robotics, subscribe to our channel. It's going to be really helpful. See you in the next one.